Vipin Parmar is joining me live on the broadcast. All right, Vipin, as the pastor Bajinder Singh has been sentenced to life imprisonment by the Mohali court in the 2018 sexual assault rape case. What exactly went behind this verdict coming at this point of time? What were the arguments and how did the defense counsel appear to have, in fact, posed their arguments before the Mohali court?
Good afternoon, Simran. It took almost 7 years for the Mohali court to pronounce this particular judgment in favor of the victim, as since 2018, when this case was registered, under Punjab police. Pastor Bajinder Singh at that time, tried to fled abroad, and at the time he was arrested from Delhi airport. But today itself, Mohali court had been, has been sentenced him for a life imprisonment in a sexual assault rape case. Well, as far as the victims are concerned, they are clearly stating that they are satisfied with the maximum punishment, as court, the continuous hearings were there. This case was registered in 2018, and it took 7 years for the pronouncement of the judgment. On this particular 24th of this particular March, he was pronounced guilty. At the time, Pastor Bajinder Singh was present in the court. The police took him into the court and he cried at the time. Today itself, when court announced the quantum of punishment, Pastor Bajinder Singh, put up mercy plea in front of Mohali court, stating that he has, small children at home, and, court should mercy. But, court rejected that plea and sentenced him for a life imprisonment. Now, the Punjab police have taken him for a medical. After that, he will be taken to Patiala, Patiala prison, where he will be taken to. After that, there are multiple victims. This is the one case in which the punishment had already been sentenced, announced by the court. But as far as the Pastor Baljinder Singh is concerned, there are multiple cases. We saw a social media video which was surfacing over the social media, in which he was seen, one of his follower, was slapped by Bajinder Singh. That case, that has already been registered by Punjab police. So in coming days, more cases will be there, as multiple victims are coming in front and now talking about what were happening there in the ministries of Pastor Bajinder Singh. But today, Mohali court had, sentenced him for life imprisonment, and the victim family, they're clearly stating they are satisfied with the punishment which has been given to Pastor Bajinder Singh.
Well, that's a big breakthrough, in fact, as the justice for the victim family in the 2018 sexual assault case has come after much fight in the Mohali court, where the pastor Bajinder Singh has been sentenced to life imprisonment. And Christian preacher is what we are given to understand, viewers, was behind all of this ruckus that was being unfolded in the state.